Okay, this is our last section, section 7, which follows the repeat of 2 and 3 with the altered third ending. We've ended here on the C sharp. Now what I want us to do is to actually identify our positions for these walk downs. So the first one we've just done is in this position where we started on G, we had a black note, white note, and ended on the C sharp. Okay. Then the next walk down, we're going to slide the hand down a half step and shift everything over. So now I have F sharp on the top, B on the bottom, I have a D sharp, and I have a C sharp. Okay, then I'm going to shift everything down again. This time I'm going to go a whole step down to the E. I'm going to make the D a natural, keep the C sharp as it is, and the B and the A. So in the first walk down, I had 2 black notes under fingers 1 and 4. The second walk down, I had 3 black notes under fingers 2 and 3 and also 5. On the third walk down, I only had 1 black note in the middle. Okay, so we're going to add a couple extra little melody notes in there as well. So after our first walk down, you're going to take your hand up to this A major position with the C sharp in the middle, and you'll just play 5-3-5. Okay, so the way that'll come together so you can hear it. Then we'll move to our next walk down with the 3 black notes in the middle. Move into this G position and play the same thing, 5-3-5. Move down to this one where we have a 1 black note in the middle. Gonna move up to this F position and play our top, middle, top, middle, top. And now we're gonna move down to our final position, which is all white, with the D on top and the G on the bottom, walking it all the way down. All right, and then our last few notes, I'm going to move our hand into this mitten position, and you're going to play 1-5-3, B, G, and E. And that is the right hand of section 7.